Well, good day, guys. So far in this series, we've already covered how computers work in the sense of everything are done using bits and bytes, from the programming to the storing of data. We've also had a look at variables and how variables allow you access to data and the changing of data. And then we also looked at arrays and how those are really useful when you need many variables to do something. And so today we'll be covering something called pseudocode. Pseudocode can be thought of as a programming language, but it's a programming language you make up on the fly. There are no real hard, fast rules about how it works or anything. It's something that you make up yourself. It's something that it's a language that you create, which is as close to something which you can easily understand. So in lots of cases, that might refer to the fact that all your pseudocode is actually plain dead English. You tell yourself, I want to count from 1 to 10. Okay, that is a line in pseudocode. I want to count from 1 to 10. That's telling the program that you, or the computer, that you are going to want to do something. Then how you physically actually are going to do that in a programming language using a loop and so forth, that is not considered pseudocode. That is now the actual final computer code. But the pseudocode that you're going to use at the end of the day, as your knowledge of your programming language of choice increases, you're going to find that your pseudocode starts coming closer and closer and closer to the real language. It may never be the exact same. In fact, it won't be. The mere fact that you need pseudocode means that you don't exactly know how to solve the problem that you're facing in C#, for instance. And pseudocode is a way of ordering your ideas. And so it's a very basic, made up, simple programming language that exists purely to help you to, well, make sense of what exactly your problem is, or not necessarily your problem is, but what you need to do. But it can also be used for if you have a problem and want to rethink that problem, then just put it in pseudocode, and it's easier to solve your own problem from doing that. And okay, that's the basics of pseudocode. And in the next video, we'll be looking at actually starting to write some code, because we're going to be looking at some programming constructs such as conditional statements, loops, and so forth. And we'll be looking at some pseudocode with that, but we'll be writing it in C#. And yes, okay, so get ready for the next one. Some coding is on its way. Thanks you. See you next time, man. Bye bye.